Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Yao Abre. So after a series of videos on the sponsoring companies who are at the moment recruiting teachers from outside the US, there has been a lot of questions on how to apply to some of the companies I mentioned in the previous videos. So this is a demonstration on how to apply to Faces Inc. So this demonstration is going to be done on a smartphone, specifically an iPhone. Any smartphone can do either an Android or an iPhone. So we're going to type facesinc.org. So this is the landing page of facesinc.org. Scroll down and get to become a Faces teacher. Click on apply now. It is your first time applying to this company, so you don't have any of your username or email address in their system. So you would have to click on create an account. So when you click on create an account, you drop the list under account type. Select teacher applicant. Now type your first name, let's say Yao Abre. So I'm going to enter my email address. Obviously, I'm going to conceal my email address. So if you are done typing your email address, you click on create new account. And this what comes. They said a welcome message with further instructions has been sent to your email address. It means they have sent a generic password link for me to use in creating my own password. So I'm going to go into my email address and get that password. Okay. Before I go into the email address, if you are not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do. The name is Yao Abre. I do provide information about United States Cultural Exchange Program that is currently ongoing. Companies are recruiting teachers into the US to teach. If you are interested, there are a lot of other videos on my YouTube channel that have a lot of juicy information that will help you migrate with your family to the States. When you are at the YouTube channel, click on subscribe, hit on the like button, and share the information to other people. If you want to ask any question, just drop into the comment section and I'll find time to answer you. That was sent from the new account I created. So it says I should click on the link that has been displayed in blue to lead me to a browser. Now it says there is a one-time login for Yao Abre. Click on this button to log in to the site and change your password. So as I said earlier, the link that I clicked was a generic one. It's going to let me create a new password. Now you should definitely click on login. So this is where the link brought me. I'm going to scroll to the bottom part and create a new password. Now obviously I'm going to conceal the password. Make sure you set a medium to a stronger password. then you go to save. Now I am into the application portal. So when you scroll down, it gives you the access. As if you can read, it says Face is currently processing applications for 2024 to 2025 academic year. So all these are the information at the exact first page of the application portal. Now it says photo of yourself. It is just displaying the requirements you need. As I've been mentioning, your transcripts, your verification of teaching experience. I will explain that in the later videos. The recommendation letters, as I mentioned earlier, and the picture page of your passport, course by course evaluation. I'll also explain on that for you to understand. And so all this information is what you need. Okay. So thank you for watching how to create an account on Faces Inc. If you do have any questions for me, you can type it in the comment section, then I will answer them. Okay. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name is Yao Aubrey. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell so that you get notification of every new video that I sent. Make sure you hit the like button as well. Stay blessed. Thank you.